Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
More and more people with traditional jobs are starting side hustles. It's happening everywhere. People crave flexibility and control over their income. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular choice for these entrepreneurs. It offers legal protection and potential tax benefits. This combination is very attractive to people who want to explore new opportunities without putting their personal assets at risk. Starting an LLC while working a W-2 job is a balancing act. It takes planning and effort, but the potential rewards are significant. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about pursuing your passions. This guide will walk you through the process. We'll cover everything you need to know. Get ready to learn about LLCs and how they can work for you. An LLC is a business structure. It's like a hybrid. It combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship with the liability protection of a corporation. This means your personal assets, like your house or car, are protected from business debts and lawsuits. Imagine this: you're selling handmade jewelry online. A customer claims they had an allergic reaction to one of your pieces. If you operate as a sole proprietor, you could be held personally responsible. This means they could go after your personal savings or even your home. But if you have an LLC, your personal assets are shielded. The lawsuit would only affect your business assets. This protection alone makes an LLC a smart choice for many side hustlers. Plus, an LLC can offer tax advantages. We'll dive deeper into those later. Don't worry, setting up an LLC is easier than you might think. Many people feel overwhelmed at the thought of starting their own business. But with the right guidance, it can be a smooth and rewarding process. You don't need to be a legal expert. In fact, most of the steps are straightforward and can be completed without any specialized knowledge. Here's a simplified breakdown. First, choose your state. This is a crucial step because each state has its own set of rules, regulations, and fees for forming an LLC. Each state has its own rules and fees for LLC formation. Some states are more business-friendly than others, so it's important to do your research and choose the state that best fits your business needs. Choose the state where you plan to do business. Next, name your LLC. This is important. Your business name is your brand, and it needs to be unique and memorable. Your LLC name must be unique and follow your state's guidelines. You can usually check name availability on your state's business registration website. Then, file your articles of organization. This is a simple document you file with your state, and it includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and the names of its members. This is a simple document you file with your state. It officially creates your LLC and gives it legal recognition. It officially creates your LLC. Once your articles of organization are approved, your LLC is legally formed. After that, get an EIN. An employer identification number is like a social security number for your business. An employer identification number is like a social security number for your business. It's issued by the IRS and is used for tax purposes. You'll need it for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online and it's usually free. Finally, open a business bank account. This is essential for keeping your personal and business finances separate. This separates your personal and business finances. It also makes it easier to track your business expenses and income, which is crucial for bookkeeping and tax purposes. It makes bookkeeping and tax time much easier. Keeping your finances organized from the start will save you a lot of headaches down the road. That's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to forming your own LLC. You can even find online services that will help you through the entire process. It's surprisingly straightforward. These services can handle everything from filing your articles of organization to obtaining your EIN, making the process even easier for you. So take a deep breath and get started on your journey to becoming a business owner. With the right steps and a little bit of effort, you'll have your LLC up and running in no time. Your side hustle, your tax advantage, offsetting W-2, income with LLC expenses. Now let's talk taxes. Taxes can be a daunting subject, but understanding how to leverage your LLC expenses can make a significant difference in your financial health. This is where things get interesting. By strategically managing your business expenses, you can reduce your overall tax burden. As an LLC owner, you're considered self-employed. This classification opens up a world of tax advantages that can benefit your bottom line. This means you report your business income and expenses on your personal tax return. Essentially, your business and personal finances are intertwined, allowing for more flexibility in managing your taxes. One of the biggest advantages? The ability to use business expenses to offset your income. This can be a game changer for many small business owners. You can use business expenses to offset your income. Here's how it works. By deducting legitimate business expenses, you can lower your taxable income, which in turn reduces the amount of taxes you owe. Let's say you made $10,000 from your online jewelry business. This is your gross income before any expenses are deducted. But you also spent $4,000 on materials, website hosting, and advertising. These are necessary expenses to keep your business running smoothly. With an LLC, you can deduct those business expenses from your income. This means that your taxable income is not the full $10,000, but rather the amount left after expenses. This lowers your taxable income to $6,000. By reducing your taxable income, you effectively lower the amount of taxes you need to pay. That means you'll pay less in taxes. This can result in significant savings, especially for small business owners who are just starting out. This is a simplified example. In reality, there are many more expenses you can deduct, and the process can be more complex. Tax laws can be complex, so it's crucial to consult with a tax professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. They can help you maximize your deductions and avoid any potential pitfalls. By working with a tax professional, you can ensure that you're taking full advantage of all the tax benefits available to you as an LLC owner. Remember, the goal is to keep as much of your hard-earned money as possible while staying compliant with tax laws. Proper planning and professional advice can make a world of difference. So, take control of your finances, understand your tax advantages, and make the most out of your LLC expenses. Your financial future will thank you. Smart tax strategies for savvy side hustlers. There are several tax strategies that W-2 employees with LLCs can use. These strategies are designed to help you maximize your deductions and minimize your tax liability. By implementing these strategies, you can save a significant amount of money and reinvest those savings back into your business, allowing it to grow faster and more efficiently. One popular strategy is the home office deduction. This deduction can be a game changer for those who run their business from home. If you use part of your home exclusively for your business, you might qualify. This means that the space must be used regularly and exclusively for your business activities. You can deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and even property taxes. The key is to calculate the percentage of your home that is used for business purposes. Another strategy is to deduct business expenses related to your car. This can be particularly beneficial if you frequently use your vehicle for business activities. Do you use your car for business purposes like meeting clients or picking up supplies? If so, you can track your mileage and other car-related expenses. You could deduct a portion of your car expenses, including mileage, parking, and tolls. Keeping a detailed log of your business trips will make it easier to claim these deductions. Remember, every business is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to tailor your tax strategy to your specific situation. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to consult with a tax professional who can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances. It's essential to keep accurate records of all your income and expenses. This will not only help you during tax season, but also provide valuable insights into your business's financial health. This will help you make informed decisions about your tax strategy. By staying organized and proactive, you can ensure that you're taking full advantage of all available tax benefits. In conclusion, smart tax strategies can make a significant difference for savvy side hustlers. By understanding and utilizing these strategies, you can keep more of your hard-earned money and invest it back into your business. So take the time to educate yourself, keep detailed records, and seek professional advice when needed. Your future self will thank you for it. Real-life examples: how LLCs can boost your financial freedom. Let's bring this to life with some examples. Imagine Sarah, a teacher who loves photography. She starts an LLC and books photography gigs on weekends. She deducts her camera equipment, software, and travel expenses, lowering her tax bill. Or consider John, who works a 9 to 5 but has a passion for woodworking. He starts an LLC and sells his handcrafted furniture online. The LLC protects his personal assets in case of any customer issues. Plus, he reduces his taxable income by deducting his workshop rent and material costs. These are just a few examples of how W-2 employees are using LLCs to their advantage. They're turning their passions into profitable side hustles while enjoying tax benefits and legal protection. Taking control of your future. Why an LLC could be your key to success. Starting an LLC while working a W-2 job can be a game changer. It's about more than just extra income. It's about financial empowerment. You're diversifying your income streams and taking control of your financial future. Flexibility and freedom. You're setting your own hours, pursuing your passions, and building something you're proud of. Tax advantages. You're legally reducing your tax burden and keeping more of your hard-earned money. Legal protection. You're safeguarding your personal assets from business liabilities, giving you peace of mind. If you've been dreaming of starting a side hustle, now is the time to take action. Research your options, talk to experts, and create a plan. An LLC could be the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your financial and personal goals.